Oh no, card declined again.
Do not worry, I can help.
Why is it not working?
Sometimes cards have issues.
I really need fuel now.
How much fuel do you need?
My tank is completely empty.
That is quite urgent then.
Can I try another card?
Yes, try another card.
I only have this one.
Do you have cash?
I have some cash here.
How much cash do you have?
Maybe $20 here?
That will get some fuel.
Is $20 enough fuel?
About half a tank.
Will half tank get me home?
Where do you live?
About 15 miles away.
Yes, $20 is enough.
Oh, thank goodness for that.
Let me reset the pump.
Is pump number 3 mine?
Yes, pump 3 is yours.
Can I pay inside then?
Yes, pay inside, please.
Is the shop open now?
Yes, open 24 hours.
Great, I will pay inside.
Come with me, please.
Is it far inside?
No, just right here.
Oh, this is the shop.
Yes, pay at counter.
How do I pay for fuel?
Tell cashier pump number.
My pump is number 3.
Yes, tell her that.
Can I also buy water?
Yes, we have water.
Is water expensive here?
Just $2 each.
I will take one, please.
Okay, anything else?
Do you have snacks here?
Yes, many snacks available.
Do you have chocolate bars?
Yes, several kinds available.
Which one do you recommend?
The peanut one is popular.
I will take one, please.
Good choice. Very tasty.
How much is everything total?
$23 total.
Here is $25.
$2 change back.
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, of course. Ask.
Why did my card decline?
Many possible reasons exist.
Like, what reasons exactly?
Maybe card limit reached.
I just used it today.
Bank may have blocked it.
Why would bank block it?
Security reasons sometimes.
That is very frustrating.
Call your bank later.
Good idea. I will call.
They can fix it fast.
How long does fix take?
Usually just a few minutes.
Really? That is quick.
Yes, very quick process.
I feel much better now.
Good. Fuel is ready.
Can I start pumping now?
Yes, pump is activated.
How do I start pump?
Lift nozzle and squeeze.
Like this? Is this right?
Yes, exactly like that.
Fuel is coming out now.
Good, filling up nicely.
How long will it take?
About 2 minutes total.
That is very quick!
Modern pumps are fast.
Do I need to stay here?
Yes, stay by pump.
Can I drink my water?
Yes, of course you can.
This water is very refreshing.
Glad you are feeling better.
You really helped me today.
That is my job here.
You're a very patient worker.
Thank you. That is kind.
Do you work here daily?
Yes, every single day.
Do you enjoy this work?
Yes, I meet nice people.
Like me? Am I nice?
Yes, you are very nice.
Fuel is finished pumping now.
Great. All done then.
Do I need to do anything?
Just replace the nozzle.
Like this? Is that right?
Perfect. All done now.
Thank you for everything today.
Drive safely. Take care.
I will call my bank now.
Good idea. Good luck.
You saved my day again.
Happy to help always.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Goodbye. Come back soon.
Is your station always busy?
Mornings are very busy.
When is it least busy?
Late evenings are quieter.
Good to know for next time.
Yes, come in evenings.
Do you sell car wash here?
Yes, automatic wash available.
How much is car wash?
$10 basic wash.
Is my car very dirty?
A little dusty, yes.
Should I wash it today?
Up to you, really.
Maybe next time I will.
We are always here.